You can use SUMIFS to test multiple conditions and return a value based on those conditions. For example, you could use SUMIFS to sum the number of products sold by a certain person. In this example, we want to know how many apples were sold by Thomas. Let's begin. Click in the empty cell and type equal sign SUMIFS and click on the formula to show. Next step, select the sum range. Next, comma, criteria ranged 1, add the comma, and select the criteria, what we are looking for. Add the comma, and select second range. Add the comma, and add the last criteria. Closing parenthesis, and hit enter. Here it should give us back the sum ifs for Thomas. How many apples did he sold? We can always filter and check, and in this example he sold only one apple. You can always change the name and see how many for Mary. You can also change the product and see accordingly as the formula get updated in real time.